It's good to see you here. This is the life, and you can change the world, save our souls, all of our sins. Oh, start over again now. It's like a second chance to win. Thanks for all the love you bring, little one. A Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. 12/24, a Christmas baby born. Even his name was Chris. Can you imagine that? That's okay. Christmas baby, it's not what you get, but how we behave in daily life. Each of us can say